Intended for in vitro and in vivo electrical stimulation, the DS4 Bi-Phasic Stimulus Isolator outputs a constant current stimulus in response to a voltage waveform generated by a computer-controlled DAC output. The DS4 has 4 output ranges and a compliance voltage of plus or minus 48 volts. A TTL gate input allows multiple DS4s to be connected to a single analog voltage source, with each DS4 being separately enabled. A unique inactivity sensor with adjustable timeout deactivates the DS4 output at very low input voltage levels, reducing unwanted DC stimulation and battery drain. If the supplied batteries are not already installed, loosen the 2 battery cover screws, remove the cover and fit them. While the cover is removed, this provides an opportunity to check and, if necessary, adjust the jumper settings for the inactivity timeout and the input voltage range. The DS4 has battery test sockets to allow the operator to routinely check battery voltages are adequate. We recommend measuring the battery voltages while a stimulus is delivered through the usual stimulation electrodes, placed in a dish of saline. This stresses the batteries and ensures they do not give falsely high readings. With the battery cover refitted and the batteries installed, connect the round DC power supply plug to the power socket on the top of the DS4, ensuring it is fully inserted. Connect the control voltage source to the DS4 input socket using a BNC cable, having made sure the DS4 input range matches that of this voltage source. The factory default is plus or minus 10 volts, but the previously mentioned internal jumper allows for input ranges of plus or minus 1, 2.5 and 5 volts. If using a TTL input to gate stimulation on and off, rather than just the analog input, this should be connected to the gate socket. Electrode leads should be connected to the red and black output sockets. Digitimer supplies a pair of plugs for user assembly. With connections made, power can be turned on. Note that the toggle switch in the gate zone acts as a soft on-off switch, to be used when a preparation is connected to the outputs. It must be in the up position to enable the DS4 output, even if the TTL gate input is used. Stimulation will only occur if a voltage is also applied at the input socket. Check and, if necessary, adjust the DS4 output current range before activating the voltage input signal and starting to stimulate.